Hello everyone, welcome back to our Agile journey. In today's video we are diving into the sixth principle of the Agile Manifesto, which states the most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within a development team is face-to-face conversation. Let's explore this principle from two perspectives: daily communication and team collaboration. When it comes to daily communication, face-to-face conversations play a crucial role. In our fast-paced digital world, it's easy to rely on emails or chat messages, but Agile emphasizes the power of direct interaction. Why? Because nuances, emotions, and immediate feedback are often lost in written communication. Now think about team collaboration. Face-to-face conversations foster a sense of connection, build trust, and lead to more effective problem solving. In Agile development, decisions often need to be made very quick, and having the team physically together promotes swift and informed choices. But what about remote or distributed teams? Obviously, you can do online stand-ups. In today's globalized work environment, physical proximity isn't always possible. In such cases, leveraging video conferencing tools become essential. Seeing each other's faces, even through the screen, can bridge the communication gaps and enhance understanding. Another option is having an online war room for releases or important milestones where everyone is on a call for half of a day or even entire day. It's normal. Remember, different individuals prefer different modes of communication. Some may feel more comfortable expressing ideas face-to-face, while others may prefer written channels. As an agile team, it's crucial to find the right balance and create an environment where everyone feels heard and valued. It's hard to recommend a single particular technique that will solve all of the problems, so just remember to communicate more often and always invest into improvements of communication. In conclusion, the sixth principle underscores the significance of face-to-face conversation in conveying information efficiently and fostering strong team dynamics. Whether it's through daily stand-ups, video conferences, or in-person meetings, prioritize direct interaction to strengthen collaboration and build a more cohesive team. That's it for today's video on the sixth principle of Agile Manifesto. Hope you found this exploration insightful. Don't forget to subscribe for more Agile insights, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is still Nick Filonchik. See you again. Bye-bye.